This right here is the best Fanta. Lemon dulce, sweet lemon Fanta. Ah, let me try this. Let me crack this baby open, eh? It's so good. It's so good. It tastes like sweet lemons. This is a sandwich. Take a bite of this big boy. Usually we have it to go. I didn't realize they heat it up here. It's nice and crispy. We're gonna kill this and then go for a walk downtown and show you the market. So you get 2 sandwiches and 2 piles of potato chips with a Fanta and a water for how much? Under 1,000 pesos.
Under 1,000.
Yeah, so under 1,000 pesos, so that's not even $5. That's like $4 for it. I mean, and it's a nice place. Good deal. What do you think?
Amazing.
Yeah, I think that's done. We're in a cab because it's too hot out. We didn't want to look around. It's sweltering out here. And we got the baby and Enzo sleeping. And yeah, we're in the cab now. This is the beautiful Córdoba city. Everywhere you go, you got it. Everywhere you got it. Pretty close. 48, my friend. 48 is the cheapest one. Shop it. Not almost square. Look at that. See up there? The fire explosion, man. This is the last little cab tour of Cordoba before we're out of here. One of the last cab tours, my friend. Look it up there. Boom, explosion. Up next down the runway, we got Mickey sporting her brand new suitcase. So yeah. Ooh, how is it?
So they said I'm so sorry.
And what happened?
And they give us a new one.
And the wheels work?
So far, he said, well, check it. And I said, okay, if I walk 2 blocks and it's okay,
we're good.
We're good. But if it's not, like, we come back. What
Let's see this guy. Look at this guy. Enzo's like, what is this thing? Enzo. Enzo's amazed right now. He's like, what is this thing? Yeah, it's always nice, you know, you toss a couple pesos their way, let them travel. And usually there's like a Michael Jackson guy and everything outside of here in Patio almost, but today we got the angel, man. And Enzo's just like, this is crazy. And that's it, that's crazy. Enzo loves it, he's loving this.
So here is somebody who actually got graduated today. We'll see from, oh, what is she? She has a bachelor now. And she looks beautiful. Ah, a lawyer. Sos una abogada ahora. Felicitaciones, te ves hermosa. So she looks so good. And they come here to Maria Maria to have some drinks because that's the way that you celebrate it. It's funny. I did it too. And after that you graduate, you go into the car and all the cars honk. Oh baby, that's me.
That's justice for her.
For her.
It's good, huh? See? I mean, it's not good, but it's justice.
It's justice.
It's justice, yeah? This one keeps falling now.
You go in the car and everybody honk. How do you call it? Honk what?
What?
The boom boom. So everybody knows that you are a graduate.
And that's it. Bam, 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 bam. What up, people? This is Bunjo. We're actually just going to the market at nighttime here, and this is what happens in Argentina. Look at these guys, huh? Belgrano must have won. I don't know, it's crazy. We're going to the market to go check some stuff out. It's crazy here sometimes, huh?
It's crazy sometimes, of course, because of the football.
Yeah. Well, look at this. And Enzo's like, oh my God, we're just trying to buy some market stuff. Look at this. This is a team I don't like. This is my enemy's team. I'm a Thisisbunjo man. Here they are, huh? Here, are you going on this road? Let's go check it. Hey, that's yeah. Belgrano. Look at these guys, huh? And this is it. Hey, they must have won. They must have game just finished. Look at these guys out here waving, huh? It's crazy. But we're going to the market now.
Yes, let's go.
And see, it's not dangerous. It's nice, huh?
No, it's okay.
It's okay. Wait a little longer till they get super drunk, and then it gets dangerous. But look at this beater. Woo-wee! Look at that car. Damn, it has bread in the passenger seat. And it has, like, look at it. It's filled with bread. Look at this. Filled with bread. See? Just filled with bread. Just filled with bread. Oh, what up, people? This is Bunjo. This is just gonna be a odds and ends moment of Cordoba. My last weeks in Cordoba. Just little. Look at this. It's absolutely insane, eh? Patiomos. You guys seen this a million times down here. But look at this. It's absolutely crazy. They got barbecuers right on the sidewalk and everything. This is Argentina though. You know what I mean? Look at it. This is like the big traffic area too. These guys got lawn chairs out here. Look at this. And they got like a whole thing over there. Like they got like people performing plays and everything out here. Like they got a whole arts performance here. It's crazy. Look at this. Let's go check this out, eh? This is Argentina. I forget what it's for. Yeah, they're selling beers and everything. You know, anything, any reason to make some money. Let's go out here. Like the whole street. And it reeks like weed and sausages, weed and sausages, weed and choripan. It's crazy though, look at that. But hey, you gotta get used to this. Like the whole city to drive here is absolutely insane because you can't drive anywhere. It's all one-way streets to boot. And the main street, the Cologne Avenue, is actually cut off. You know what I mean? So like the main street, so you got to go down all these side streets. It took like an hour to drive 5 minutes. It was crazy, man. So we're gonna go here. Look at this. See there? Who knows what's going on here, huh? It's like this. It's like dance fighting almost or something. I don't know what that is. That's crazy, yeah? Everything. Well, I gotta walk down here. We're going bowling though, so I gotta go back with the family. I just thought I'd come out here and record some. So I'll record us bowling, and then on the way out, if they're still out here, we'll record more. But look at this. Absolutely levels. Levels. This is protesting. Now this is protesting. Look, we got chori pan and everything. See, we got chori pans, man. I don't know. I gotta go find the family though. We'll be back. And we're here at the bowling alley. Look at this crazy, man.
But instead you line up high like you're on a plane way up in the sky, or you're nodding off on some rails like you're on a train, hoping some of you still remains, dreaming of sleeping on a train, and the train has never left the station. High up in the clouds, looking out the glass at the powder that you're facing. By the way, I'm gonna be alright. I'm gonna be alright. By the way, I'm gonna be alright. I'm gonna be alright. You just needed to take off the edge and get out of hell and back from the edge. You need to go to another place before you get erased and lost in that endless chase. Thoughts are always racing. Depression is the case, and every day you're facing the change you see. It gets very hard every day when your brain is so wasted. By the way, I'm gonna be alright.
Yeah, so this is the feria that we were talking about before. It's like this every weekend here. So look at it. It's always packed. You can find all the handcrafted stuff here from all the local artists and all that stuff. I'm going to get some chaufa, some Peruvian food. It's beautiful here, but look at this. You know what I mean? It's crazy packed all the time. See what I mean? That's great. It's a fight.
Always brings you down and drags your brain all over the ground. So try to stay out of your head. It's a dangerous place you don't want to tread. One day you'll thank yourself.
Yeah, so this place is behind me, Paseo Kermes. It's actually a really good place to find some Peruvian food, some Venezuelan food, a whole bunch of different cuisines from South America. And it's a beautiful place because they put live bands and all that stuff there. And it's right beside the market, as you see the market. Good. See the market's here. And yeah, and it's right off of Güemes in Cordoba. And we're about to walk right on Güemes right now. So this is it. Look at this. Yeah, so this is basically Güemes right now, and this is like where all the bars and everything are, and the market every weekend it's packed like this. It's crazy, you know? Look here. And you got street performers, you got everything. This is the antique section. You can find a whole bunch of antiques here. It's pretty cool. And of course, you can find all the weird dressed guys and all that kind of stuff too. You know, it's awesome down here. This is my last day here, so I'm gonna miss all this kind of stuff. Because Chile is much quieter. We don't have this kind of stuff here, you know? But like, look at behind me, like, geez. You know? You know? This is Cordoba Capital. Come visit.
Este es el Joe de Joe, este no es tu Joe. Cambia que por el asado. Este es el Joe de Joe. ¡Wow!